I made a friend. Don't put him in because I need a picture of him.
Oh.
We need another one of our friends. How about I hand you this one? Can you hold on to him?
He doesn't start flapping.
How do I give?
Take this.
How do I give Matt and he instantly has the thing going after him? We gotta come up with a name for you. We gotta keep naming all these frogs. You're a cute frog, right?
Poison.
Like, please. Poison. Oh, that's a Ricardo thing. And like that, we're done, leaving it filling up. Aerator's back in, fish are in, it's been cleaned, power washed. It's got new filter pads, it's got new bags for the lava rock. The aerators are now working, the lights are working, and yeah, we're on to the next one. So we will be back. This one has regular maintenance by us. So we'll be back in a couple of weeks.